Ever wondered why summers feel hotter and storms seem stronger? That's climate change in action. It's not just about warmer weather, it's a shift in global climate patterns caused by human activities like burning fossil fuels. This releases greenhouse gases, trapping heat in our atmosphere. The result? Rising temperatures, melting ice caps, and unpredictable weather. But how exactly does this work? Let's break it down so it all makes sense. The greenhouse effect is natural and essential for life, but human activities have supercharged it. Carbon dioxide, methane, and other gases trap heat, making Earth warmer than it should be. Since the Industrial Revolution, CO2 levels have skyrocketed due to burning coal, oil, and gas. This extra heat disrupts weather patterns, melts glaciers, and raises sea levels. The more we emit, the worse it gets. But what are the real-world consequences? Rising temperatures don't just mean hotter days. They disrupt entire ecosystems. Coral reefs are bleaching, forests are drying out, and animals are struggling to adapt. Extreme weather events like hurricanes, wildfires, and floods are becoming more frequent and intense. Coastal cities face higher risks of flooding as sea levels rise. These changes affect food production, water supply, and even human health. So, what's causing all this damage? Fossil fuels are the biggest culprit. Burning coal, oil, and gas releases massive amounts of CO2, trapping heat in the atmosphere. Deforestation makes things worse by reducing the number of trees that absorb CO2. Agriculture also plays a role. Livestock produce methane, a powerful greenhouse gas. Even everyday activities like driving cars and using electricity contribute. But if we know the causes, can we do something about it? Absolutely. The good news? We have solutions. Switching to renewable energy like solar and wind can cut emissions. Protecting forests and planting trees helps absorb CO2. Reducing waste, eating less meat, and using energy-efficient appliances all make a difference. Governments and businesses must act, but individuals can help too. Every small change adds up. The question is, will we act fast enough to prevent the worst impacts? The choice is ours. Some argue climate change isn't real or isn't caused by humans, but the science is clear. Over 97% of climate scientists agree that human activity is driving global warming. The evidence is everywhere, from rising temperatures to shrinking ice sheets. Denial only delays action, making the problem worse. Instead of debating the facts, we should focus on solutions. The sooner we act, the better our future will be. So, what can you do? You don't need to be a scientist to make a difference. Reduce energy use, support clean energy, and vote for leaders who prioritize climate action. Spread awareness and push for policies that cut emissions. Small actions, like using public transport, reducing waste, and conserving water, add up. The future isn't set in stone. If we act now, we can slow climate change and protect our planet for future generations. The time to act is now.